Hey guys, cold day today, sitting in my Camaro, and I'm pretty excited today because I have right here a title that an owner just signed over into my name for a new car. And I'm sure by the title, depending on what I call the video, you may already know what it is. But let's take a look at it, shall we? Alright, let's get out. So here's my Z28, the one that I rebuilt, you know. Let me close the door. And here's my new car, another Z28 that I'm super excited about as well. It's not in the best condition. It does run and drive. I drove it here from the guy's house, which is only a couple miles away, but I went and saw it a week ago. What happened is the old person who used to own it, not the person I bought it from, but the guy that had it before the previous owner, ran it into a ditch. As you can see, it damaged the front end. The guy I bought it from already took all the panels off, and he's had it about 4 years. He said he was planning to put the LT1 in a 67 Camaro, but lost interest in that idea and getting some other kind of engine. As you can see, the only main thing is you can probably see that front wheel is a little bit, I guess bent is the word. It's a little bit. Honestly, it didn't drive bad. It was smooth. Possibly, I hate to say it, even a little smoother than my old Camaro, which will squeak from time to time. But let me open it up. It's got a nice leather interior. I wouldn't say nice, but the seats aren't bad. Just a couple tears. A few stains over the passenger side. Now, this one is a 97 too, but as you can see, it's actually got the newer style gauges with the electronic odometer there. It's also got 323 gears, whereas mine has 273. As you can see, I'll try to get the light off that. Typically on an F-body, it may be this way in every case. I think it is in most anyway, that if it's got a D21, that's 323. Whereas if it's like mine and just has a DD2 and without the 1, then it's 273. But the RPO code also backs up what I'm saying. And I've read it on forums before. And another great thing, T-tops. You can see straight out. This one's a little dirty there. But that's the one thing that I'm super excited about this car. Let me open up the hood for you. Just a typical LT1 there. The only thing the old owner wanted was to keep the battery, as you can see. And just LT1, 147,000 miles on it. So I can't crank it in the video, but I assure you it does run. And it's pretty smooth. It's got the stock exhaust on it. And then also what came with the car, he gave me a few tires here. And the Sebring silver nose piece, this is the one that he took off of it. As you can see, one of the ears on the other side's broken off. This is the nose piece he has for it that he gave me along with the deal, and you can see a couple of quarter panels there. So he gave me a decent amount of stuff, a couple of the air dams too, and this one came off of a V6. So did this panel, as you can see from the Camaro on the side. He also gave me a new headlight assembly there. So I got a lot for this deal. Now, I got it for a really good price, this car. At least what I consider a pretty good deal. You may not think so, but runs, remember, I drove it over here. And, you know, no squeaks, no rattles, brakes didn't squeak or anything like that. For $800, I picked this car up. Less than I bought my other one for over there. So overall, I'm pretty happy. Let me get a shot of both of them real quick for you. So there we go. So here I am for the final part of the video, sitting in my new Camaro. Its windows don't roll down. But that can be fixed. You know, for $800, there's a lot that could have been wrong with it that wasn't, that I'd, you know, pay $800 for. Hold on, that one's not even moving up. It must be kind of stuck. Oh no, it moves. But yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. Just had it now about 30 minutes or so. So I'll of course what am I even trying to say? I'll upload some more videos showing the progress of what I'm doing. Gonna put that new nose piece on, new quarter panel. I'll see about that front right tire, getting it back aligned. Hopefully that doesn't cost too much. But again, it ran smooth as it is. Didn't really run across the road much, but I wouldn't want to, have to drive on a bent tire like that. But guys, I hope you are as excited as I am to see yet another Z28. This is the 97 too, as you can see, the 30th anniversary edition insignia on the back. So I've got two 30th anniversary cars, with the insignia at least, not actual 30th anniversary editions. But I'm excited about the car, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you're ready for more.